In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your recent calls on your iPhone. So this is really easy to do. So what you want to do is go find your phone icon. I usually have it at the bottom of my screen here, so it's always there as I'm going through my apps. So go ahead and go there. And you have some options here. You have favorites and recents and contacts and your keypad and all that stuff. But we want to stay on your recents. So there's two ways to do it. You could just take one of your numbers and slide this to the left, and you can just go ahead and delete it. You can go ahead and then slide it enough so it stops, so you get these options here, and you can just hit the trash can button. Or if you really want to do this kind of in one big shot, what you can do is slide it, make it stay there, and then at the top right corner you have clear. So what this is going to do is it's actually going to clear all of your calls. So you can go hit clear, then it's going to hit clear all recent, so go ahead and clear that. And then with one shot you are completely done, and you now have been able to delete all of your recent calls in one shot. So there's 2 or 3 ways to do it, and then obviously just the way that you can just get rid of them all at the same time. So I hope you found this video helpful and useful for yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.